Hello guys, welcome back to my video again. Did you catch my earlier video for this unboxing? It's a rare item. And second thing, did you catch my video that I unboxed this ultra rare, and I think you will definitely love this. It's a beautiful piece and you have got to catch my video for that. And although it's a small box, it is not a bracelet or something or anything that you wear on the body, but it's beautiful. It is extremely rare, so please catch that video and you'll be really happy, because unboxing rare things makes us happy. So for now, I'm going to unbox this, which is the largest box over here. This one I just purchased recently and I think it's really beautiful, and that's why I've decided that I should have it. As you can see, the box is not a typical cardboard box. This is a solid box, and I think there is some really hardy cardboard that pretty much feels and sounds like wood. So let's unbox this together. I have switched on the flash so that you can see the full glory of what's inside. Without the flash, it might not look so detailed. I think it will look better with the flash. So here you go. This is the first time unboxing this. It's going to be, it's really tight. The box is like, the enclosure is really tight. I wonder if any air can go in. Wow, so tight. Okay, I've done it. So let's take a look. Let me see. Yeah, I think it looks quite presentable. 1 minute please. I need to adjust this so that it looks presentable. Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. This is a rose gold necklace with diamonds. Can you see the diamonds? And these diamonds has a combination of half a carat, which is 0.5 carat. So you can actually see the glitter when you wear it on your neck. Isn't it beautiful? It's rose gold. I think rose gold accessory matches the skin really well because it's almost close to skin color. Let's see the bag. It's not too long, it's not too short, but you can twirl it 2 times around your neck. And if you were to count the number of diamonds, this is how it looks like. There are a total of 7 diamonds on this rose gold necklace. Can you see the shimmer? Maybe I'll do this. Isn't it gorgeous? They are like fine little charms. The first charm has got a diamond. The second one, yes, a diamond too. And the third one, of course, is the H, the Hermes signature H. And the fourth charm, I've got another diamond over here. And all the way, we have got this. And MSH. And next Got another diamond. I've seen this pattern in the earrings. This one. Earrings and I think bracelets. Okay, let's see the next one. Another diamond. Hermes signature H. Over here, the next one we have got another diamond. And over here we got one more diamond. And let's move down. Got this and this. Over here you have got the marking that to indicate that it's actually gold. And there you have it. Isn't this a beautiful necklace? Typically, I will pair long necklaces like this when you tore it like 2 times around your neck. One time. Yeah, I tore it 1 time around your neck. I will typically pair it with like long sleeve shirts. I think sleeveless shirts are fine too. On a black shirt, it will look really, really beautiful and outstanding. I'm not too sure about, yeah, I think maybe a white sweater, white long sleeve sweater, it will look beautiful. Like cream color sweater, I think it will look beautiful with this. I am still figuring out which centerpiece I should have for this part. So I will need to try and experiment, just touring around my neck and try to find the centerpiece over here. Because say for example, if I'm going to wear it like this is going to be right beneath my chin. And over here, this will be the bottom of the necklace that will be seen on my shirt. This will look a little off balance, isn't it? So when you wear necklaces like this, you should always like go around, experiment, and to find where is your centerpiece. I'm going to wear like this, or are you going to wear, you just have to take out and try on your neck and just figure out where is the centerpiece. I love rose gold. It just goes so well with my complexion. Silver, white gold is good too, and gold is nice too. But I think Hermes right now nowadays I see more of the rose gold rather than gold for jewelry. That's what I noticed. And yeah, 7 diamonds. So they do give you this diamond certificate. And let me see if I have the diamond certificate over here. Let me see. It should be somewhere. Maybe it's in the bag. Well, it should be somewhere. I should have the diamond certificate somewhere. So anyway, here it is. Isn't this a beautiful necklace? I totally love it and I cannot wait to wear it out. I have got the shorter necklaces from Hermes, the rose gold version with the diamonds. I've been wearing that non-stop, and right now with this I'm going to wear this often as well. Do you like this? Let me know if you like this. You can click on the like button, and also do on the comment section below what you think and where you think my centerpiece should be. How should I rotate this necklace so that the beautiful centerpiece falls right over here in the middle? Let me know. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care guys. and stay safe. Oh yeah, don't forget to watch the other two videos. Take care. Bye bye.